Students, today in this video we are going to learn to find the solution of equation. So here we have 4 equations and we'll solve each equation in this video. So let's begin with the definition of solution. What does solution mean? In the equation, solution means the value of the variable. So here in the first equation, our variable is x. 3 and 5, they are numerical value, right? So x is our variable. And in the second equation, y is our variable. In the third equation, again x is our variable. Now in the last equation, m is the variable here. Now see, this is our first equation and it says x plus 3 is equal to 5. What does it mean? It means with 3 what should be added to get 5? So this is a simple equation, so we can say that we add 2 with 3 to get 5. But how do we get 2? How do you know it's 2? And if you have large numbers, then how would you find out the solution of the equation? So we'll learn that in this video. So before solving the equation one by one, let us learn some rules first. So here we have 4 rules. The first rule says plus will change into minus. Second rule says minus will change into plus. Third rule says multiplication will change into division, and the fourth rule is division will change into multiplication. So I'll explain what does it mean. See, whenever we talk about equation, it is always that we'll have equal to symbol, because if there is no equal to symbol, then that does not form an equation. So we will always have equal to symbol in an equation. So to the left of the equal to symbol, we call this as left hand side, your left hand, okay? And to the right side of this equal to symbol, we call this as right hand side. So now see here, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So whenever we change the position of the number, if we are changing the number, or if we are taking the number from left hand side to the right hand side, or from right hand side to the left hand side, see, it's not that we always take the number from left hand side to the right hand side. Sometimes we may take number from right hand side to the left hand side also. So in that case, we need to change the sign of the number. Alright, see, we'll change the sign of the number only when we change their sides. Like if you are taking a number from left hand side to the right hand side, or from right hand side to the left hand side, you need to change the sign of the number. So if it is positive number, okay, if it is positive number, it will change into negative, and vice versa, means negative will change into positive. Alright, similarly multiplication will change into division, and division will change into multiplication. So these are 4 basic rules. Now we'll apply these rules while solving these 4 equations. So now let's solve the first one, and the first one says x plus 3 is equal to 5. So now say this is x plus 3 is equal to 5. Our variable is x here and we have to find the value of x. So what do we do here is, we'll just write x in the left hand side, equal to will be there, and this 5 is in the right hand side already. So we'll write down 5 first, then this is plus 3, right? And this plus 3 is in the left hand side. Now we are taking it to the right hand side. That means we are changing the side of 3 from left hand side to the right hand side. So it's positive over here. So plus will change into minus when it changes its side. Alright. So now x is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. So here the value of x is 2. Is it clear? That means with 3, 2 should be added to get 5. Now this is second equation, and this is y minus 2 is equal to 9. So here in this case, our variable is y is equal to 9. We'll take this to the right hand side. It's minus here, and minus will change into plus when we change its side. So now y is equal to 9 plus 1 gives 9 plus 2 gives 11. So here the value of y is 11. Is it clear? Now third equation. See, this is, we do not have addition or subtraction sign between 5 and x. That means this is multiplication. How did we get 5x here? It's 5 into x. That's why it's 5x over here. So we can split it as 5 into x is equal to 20. So multiplication will change into division when we change its side. So x will write as it is, then this is 20. It is multiplication over here, and when we change the side, it will turn into division. Is it clear? Now when we divide 20 by 5, we'll get 4. So here the value of x is 4. Now let's move on to the last equation, that is equation 4. So here we have m by n is equal to minus 3. Now see here, the relationship between m and n is division here. Okay, and we have to take this 9 to the right hand side. So when we take a number with division to the other side, division will change into multiplication. So here m is equal to minus 3 is already in the right hand side, so I got to write that. Then this is 9 with the division symbol, it will change into multiplication. Now m is equal to minus plus minus, right? 3 9s are 27. So here the value of m is minus 27. So this is how we find the solution of the equation, by following basic rules. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.